In this video, you will be learning how to create this name intro. I call it name intro. It's a flashy test to like a name intro for movies, for content, advert, and so on and so forth. So let's open our Kinemaster, and you import the black color. Import the black color and resize it. Not too lengthy, just about 10 seconds, 10-14 seconds, maybe not up to that if possible. Just bring it to maybe 11. Okay, so after I've done that, go to layer and go to test. You type whatever you want to type there, either your name or you type name just like I've done, and then you bold it to this level, not the full screen, but just bold it to this level. All right, and choose the type font. I'm using this Roboto Black Bold because we really need a bold text, something like this. Okay, so you resize it, make sure it is well sized with the black. Okay, not too lengthy, just like I've said. All right, so resize it, yes, to match up with the black. Good. All right, so that's what we've done. So you can see it's just same length with the black thing. Highlight that name and make sure it is well sized. Okay, make sure it is well adjusted, and then give it a green color. All right, go to color and make it green color. All right, so make sure it is well then export it. Okay, so we'll just quickly do that export, then open a new project. Okay, by clicking on the plus sign there, let's open a new project. When you get into Kinemaster, choose your 16:9 ratio. Okay, so just go and bring in the background video you are going to be using. That is going to be in the group. I'm going to post it there. Although I have all this, but I have to resize it here. What I'm going to do is I will send the resized one to the group. Okay, to the class, the resized one, the one I've resized like this, so that you don't have to go through the trimming. Okay, so I'm trimming that from left, then I have to play it to an extent that is a bit as long as what I have in other exported clip. Okay, let's bring it back a bit.
Fine, I blew it.
To this place. All right, so I'll trim it to the right. All right, so that I can be left with this small clip, which I can still adjust to match the first clip that was exported. All right, so I'm adjusting it. I'm trying to make it small. Okay, so you click OK. All right, since you have done this, you go to layer and to media and import the first clip in which we exported. That is the green name. Okay, so let us bring it in. All right, so that is it. You can see that the size are a bit different, so we can adjust the clips. So you just go to split screen. All right, and then don't do anything, just click OK. All right, so you click on the name and make sure it is adjusted well. All right, so make sure it is well adjusted and you drag it to fit the screen. Okay, click OK, then click on the clip itself and adjust it. Make sure it is well adjusted, yes, to match the name in green. Okay, so click on the green, click on that green, click on that green, and go to chroma key. So enable the chroma key. Okay, it will give you something like this. Let us play this clip and see how it looks. Okay, so let's play it and see how it looks. You can see we have something like this. We have this effect. Okay, this is making it possible because of what is there, what is under. That is the background clip. So you go to click on the name and shift it a little bit, just a little gap after the starting. All right, then click on your effect. Okay, click the plus sign, adjust the name, widen it a little bit and shift it towards almost the end, and also click the plus sign. Adjust it, make sure it's adjusted. Click the plus sign, click the plus sign. Okay, so just after clicking that, make sure you also adjust the name, adjust it to be okay. Although we are done with what we want to do, but adjust it this way so that at the end of the day, if it plays, it's well adjusted. Okay, so after doing all this, you click OK, and you can play the clip to see. You can play the clip to see, or you just export. But I advise you always play this the clip. Always play it so that you will know what you have done, if it is right or wrong. If it is wrong, you adjust. If it is right, then you export. Okay, so that is that. You export your. See you in the next class. Thank you very much. God bless you all.